In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board in Trello permanently. This process is straightforward, but it's important to make sure you follow each step carefully to ensure the board is deleted completely. Before we begin, make sure that you're logged into your Trello account and have your boards accessible. Let's start by heading over to your boards in the view. Once you're on your Trello dashboard, you'll see all your boards listed there. From here, locate and click on the board that you want to delete. This will open up the board and allow you to make changes to it. Now, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll find a button labeled with 3 dots right next to the Share button. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Close Board. Now, what this does is close the board, but not delete it just yet. Think of it as the first step in the deletion process. Once you click Close Board, a confirmation will prompt you. Click on Close again to proceed. This action effectively closes the board, making it inaccessible in your active board list. But we're not done yet. To delete the board permanently, go back to the same spot near the Share button. Once again, click on the 3-dot menu. This time you'll see an option that says Permanently Delete Board. Click on that. By doing this, you're taking one final step towards permanently removing the board from Trello. As a last precaution, Trello will ask you for a confirmation because once you delete a board, the action is irreversible. It's always a good idea to double check that this is the board you intend to delete. So, once you're sure, click on Delete, and there you have it. Your board has now been permanently deleted from Trello, giving you a cleaner and more organized project space. Keep in mind that deleting a board cannot be undone. If you suspect you may need information from the board in the future, consider backing up any important data before deleting it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made it easy for you to delete a board in Trello. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorial videos for more helpful tips and tricks.